Hey, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. Today I'm going to get you started with some harmonica tabs. That means we're going to be playing some songs on the harmonica, and I'm going to teach you how to read what you see on the screen so that you can play them quickly and really well. We're going to look at 3 songs today. We'll look at Hey Jude by the Beatles. We'll look at Take Me Home Country Roads by John Denver, and we'll also look at When the Saints Go Marching In, which is the first song I ever learned to play from harmonica tabs. So, what harmonica are we going to be using today? Well, you'll need a 10-hole diatonic harmonica. This is a Hohner Golden Melody, but any 10-hole will work for you. And you'll notice probably on your harmonica, unless it's a really cheap one, that it says the numbers across the top. So you want the low numbers on your left and the high numbers on your right. So hole 1 is the lowest note. And hole 10 is the highest. So what are harmonica tabs? Well, these are a simple way of telling you how to play the notes on the instrument. So what you'll see is a number, and that number corresponds to the hole on the harmonica. Now, if it's a positive number, so for example, if it just says 4, you're going to breathe out on 4, so that's a blow. If it says -4 or -4 with that little dash, that's a draw note, an in-breath. 4 draw. And you get a different note when you blow and when you draw. So the tabs we're going to use in this video just have those positive and negative numbers to interpret. There are more symbols for more complicated techniques like bending and tongue slaps and all that kind of thing. If you want to know more about those symbols, check out the link in the description to a full video on understanding my harp tabs in more detail. So let's get started with our first song. So we're going to look at Hey Jude by the Beatles. We're going to look at the first kind of chorus for that song, and we'll get started with the tab on your screen. I'll talk it through with you as we go. So Hey Jude should sound like this. So we've got 4 lines to get through this chorus. Try and follow those notes on the screen, the tab on the screen. So we're going to start with a 6 blow. And then a 5 blow. Hey Jude. And then we've got 5 blow, 6 blow, 6 draw, 4 draw. Now yours might sound more like whereas I'm playing single notes. Now I have a full lesson on playing single notes cleanly, clear notes. Do check the description to go and check that out. But until you can play single notes, you can just get away with getting that rough sort of sound. You're trying to aim for a single note, but it's okay if you get the notes either side. The important thing is to try not to force the air. I often say to my students, breathe, don't heave. So if you're in and out like that, then that's going to affect the tone of the notes, and it's also going to mean you run out of breath quickly. So try to just gently breathe in and out. So that's our first line, Hey Jude, don't make it bad. And then we've got my 7 blow is a little bit sharp for some reason. So we've got 4 draw, 5 blow, 5 draw, 7 blow. Take a sad song and then and make it better. So we've got 7 blow, 7 draw, 6 blow, 6 draw, 6 blow, 5 draw, 5 blow. So that line in full. Okay. And then our third line, remember to let her into your heart. Six blow, six draw, six draw, six draw, eight draw, seven blow, seven draw, seven blow, six draw, six blow. Okay. Then our final line, then you can start to make it better. So we've got four blow, four draw, five blow, six draw, six blow, and then six blow, five draw, five blow, three draw, four blow. Okay, and that's the end of the chorus to Hey Jude. I do have a video teaching this song in full, so going through the verses. If you want to push on and challenge yourself with that, then there's a link in the description to that lesson as well. Okay, let's move on to our second song. So this is Take Me Home Country Roads by John Denver. We're going to look at the chorus again. Now, if you do want to learn the verse as well, then check out the video in the description where I teach the full thing. But we're just going to get started with our chorus. So it should sound like this. Okay, so 3 lines to get through, and it's all quite high on the harmonica. So again, breath control is really important. If you pull in too much, especially on those higher draw notes, the notes won't play properly. So it's very important to relax, and if they're not working, instead of blowing or drawing harder, actually do the opposite. I know it's counterintuitive, but relax more and the note is more likely to work. So our first line, country roads, take me home to the place I belong. We've got so we've got 7 blow, 8 draw, 8 blow, 8 blow, 7 blow, 8 draw. So that's country roads take me home, and then to the place I belong. So we've got 8 blow, 8 draw, 7 blow, 8 blow, 9 blow, 10 draw. And then we've got West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Excuse me. And that was actually a good example of where you have to jump from non-adjacent notes. So I had to go from the 10 draw to the 8 blow for those first 2 notes of that line, and I fluffed it, I messed it up. So you've got to take this really slow, practice those distances, those intervals, or the leaps, the jumps between the holes, because if you're going to an adjacent note, it's quite easy, you can kind of slide across, you don't have to take your mouth off the instrument, and you don't have to stop breathing. So if you go from 4 to 5 blow, 1 breath, just a movement of the head or harp. When you're moving between non-adjacent, you've got to be really precise. So we've got that 10 draw, 8 blow, 9 blow, 8 blow, 8 blow, 7 blow, 8 draw, 8 blow. So it's really contained up that top end. And then we've got take me home, country roads. So our final line, take me home, country roads, goes so we've got 8 blow, 8 draw, and then 7 blow, and then 7 blow, 8 draw, 7 blow. Now in the full version, in the lesson that I have on YouTube, I talk about a possible bend, I think, in that chorus. Bends are beyond the remit of this lesson, but do check out that video if you want to learn more. And how about taking a free trial of my harmonica school? You get 30 days to try it out and see if it's for you. I have step-by-step courses to help you become a better harmonica player, including specific courses all about bending notes, as well as lots of other techniques. There's a link in the description to find out more. So the third and final song we'll look at is When the Saints Go Marching In. It's a great old song and it sits really nicely on the harmonica. It also happens to be the first song I ever learned to play. So it should sound like this. Okay, so our first line we've got 4 blow, 5 blow, 5 draw, 6 blow. We do that twice. And then our second line, we have 4 blow, 5 blow, 5 draw, 6 blow. So that's all the same as the first line. But then we go 5 blow, 4 blow, 5 blow, 5 draw. So okay, and then our third line, oh how I want to be in that number. We've got 5 blow, 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 blow, 5 blow, 6 blow, 6 blow, 6 blow, 5 draw. And then finally, when the saints go marching in, we've got 5 blow, 5 draw, 6 blow, 5 blow, 4 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow. Now, that's really the full tab that I've got for this song, but I do have a video, a very old video, but I do have a video that goes through the song a bit slower and more of a chance to play along with me, so do check out that in the description as well. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these beginner harmonica tabs with me. Tabs are a great way to access music as a complete beginner, so I do encourage you to seek out more of them. I put out a free harmonica lesson every single week, so if you'd like to see more of my lessons, click subscribe on my channel, and if you click the little bell, that means you'll know every time I release a new lesson. I hope to see you for another harmonica lesson soon. Until then, enjoy your practice. Cheers.